of steep grades, you may have noticed that engine 15 has been relatively quiet on our way down the hill. We're not using our throttle, we're just relying on gravity and using the brakes to slow our descent down the steep grades. Now that is all going to change in a moment. Right now, fireman Sean Lowry is building a big fire in the belly of engine 15, increasing the steam pressure as close as he can to the maximum operating pressure of 200 pounds per square inch. Engineer Rob Lawrence is going to need that speed, because we've reached the lowest point in elevation on our ride. The last leg into Lewis Creek Canyon is a 9.4% uphill grade. With a top speed a little more than 20 miles per hour, with Shay locomotives lack in speed, they make up for with incredible pulling power despite steep mountain grades, and we are proud to demonstrate a fraction of what engine number 15 was built to do for you now. Friendly advice for you. If you come across a confused, fluffy black and white can, please don't